Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some exciting finds from the folks over at Fansells. So I've got a couple of items to show you that are kits, and then I've got a couple of tools, so I'm going to jump into the tools first. So my first tool is one that I've actually thought about for a while, and I just hadn't got before. You guys know that I've been using my mom's old tape measure, and just because of its sentimental value and everything, but it does get annoying to re-roll it every time. I'm still going to use it, but maybe not as much as I was before, because I have gotten a retractable tape measure so that I can just pull it out, and then when I need to, it goes right back in. It's got a little button here, so you pull it out and then stop it wherever you need to, so I can do my measurements. This is in centimeters. It's got inches on the other side, and I just thought this would be a good, useful tool for me. So this was only 83 cents. My thing with these is the buttons never last as long as I want them to. Even when you buy like the ones that you come in a toolbox and all of that kind of stuff. So 83 cents, I figure, yeah. And they had different colors. I just got this nice, it says blue. It's more of a gray color, I think. But if you wanted to add something colorful to your toolbox, you can do that. So you'll probably see this in other videos. Then the next kind of tool set that I got was this tool set, and it comes with a little bit of everything, so I wanted to see what all it came with. So in here we get all kinds of things. So you can see we've got, let me get everything out of here. We've got this tray, this drill tray in the shape of a butterfly, and it's got 5 sections. So you've got 2 sections here, one for the body and another 2 for the wings, and then each one has a little pour spout here. Now I'm not quite sure how that works when you pour, when you want to shake them, is if you have different colors in each of these. The ones in the body I think would be okay, but like if I'm tipping it this way to get these all lined up, then these might fall out. I guess you can just put your hands there. Anyway, thought that was cute. And then you get a little drill spoon and brush. I never use these. Does anyone use these? I mean, they seem like a good idea. I just don't ever use them. And then you get these 2 little pin scrunchies. I've seen these before, but I've never actually used any of them. It's supposed to go on and help with the fatigue in your hand, that sort of thing. Again, I've never used them. I've used the regular, not these little sleeve ones, but ones that you get that have the little scallops on them. All right, and then we get a little pink straightener here. I actually like these. The edge is thin enough that you actually can get in between drills, because I find that some of them, the edges are thick enough that you actually end up moving drills out of the way and out of place instead of into place, which is what you're supposed to be doing with this. So that's good. Then we've got our pin here, and we've got all of these purple screw-in tips. So we've got a straightener, we've got a 9-placer, a 6-placer, a 3-placer, a single placer, and then an angled single placer. I thought these were super cool when I first saw them, but for me, I don't ever use the angled one. And these are just, you just screw them in here. I don't know if I like the ones that screw in better or not. Like, I feel like they stay in the pen better, but I've not seen any kind of, I know they make metal ones, but I've not seen any like other people do metal tips that screw in like that are the ones that I like, I guess. You can get ones that screw in that are metal, but okay, so there's that with the pin, and it's a pretty pin. I like mine to have a little bit more of an interesting profile on it, but it's a decent pen. And then you get a bunch of purple wax to go with your purple set of stuff here. And then, oh, these are covers. You guys, I saw these when I was looking at it, and I was like, what are these little butterfly things? Okay, so remember how I was talking about the drills would probably fly out? Well, they won't, because you have little covers for them. So you just stick these in here, and see, then your little butterfly covers up all of the little holes here. That's genius. And they just slide right in. I'm not having any trouble with them at all. So they fit really nicely and just fit over there. And then when you're ready, you can just pull them off to dump your drills. So I don't want to leave them on there. I'm going to put them back in their little container here. Their little, what's the word I'm looking for? Plastic baggie. All right, so there you go. You get all of this for $7.21. So you get the tray, you get the brush and spoon, you get the two little scrunchy things, you get wax, you get the pin and tips, you get the little covers for all of the pour spouts, and you get the straightener. Although it's kind of funny that this is pink and not purple. I guess they don't make it in purple. Anyway, so all of that for $7.21. And I'll stick links to all of this down below as per usual. Okay, then the last two things are canvases. So let's look at these. Okay, this canvas was super soft, super thin, nice to roll up. So we've got our toolkit, and then as you can see, we've got our special drills here. So for our toolkit, standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pin, we do get tweezers because it is a special drill kit. And here is our kit. I just saw this one and I thought it was really pretty. I try to find specials that I think have interesting shapes on them. So we've only got 10 drills, but it looks like 4 of them are special shaped drills. And then the rest of them are just regular round crystals. But I really like this one with all the little flowers, and then you've got the little butterfly and a couple of snowflakes here. And I just thought it'd be really pretty. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. So it says this is 30 by 30. Let me use my new tape measure here and see what it actually is. It is 24 by 24. Ooh, I do like that, just being able to roll it back up like that. That's nice. All right, let me get my drills out so we can look at those. All right, so for our drills, we've got clear, then we've got some very, very light blue, some darker blue, some blue, and then some very dark blue. And then we've got some orangish yellow, and then we get into our special drills. So we've got a teardrop shaped iridescent. We've got some small round pearls. We've got these kind of old antique gold teardrops. And then we've got some clear marquee shaped as well. So this one looks like it will be fun. The thing about specials is that they go super fast, so that's always nice. All right, let me put this one away and I will get the second one out. This one is more of the traditional kind of thicker canvas, but we've got our special drills here that you can see, and we've got our toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen, no tweezers this time. And here is our pretty kit. This one is a lotus flower, and I just thought this one was really pretty, and I like kind of the purples with the black background. So this one is also a 30 by 30. We've only got 9 colors on this one, but it looks like we've got 3 special shaped, and then the rest are just regular crystal rhinestones. This says 30 by 30. So let's measure again. It is 25 by, flatten this out a bit, 25 by 25. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. All right, let me open up the drills and we'll see what this one looks like. All right, for this one, we've got some different colors. We've got a light purple and a very light pink. We've got a darker purple and a very light turquoise. We've got kind of an orangey salmon color. And then we've got our special drills. We've got a small round purple. We've got a clear iridescent marquee shaped. We've got some more of that kind of antique old gold, but these are marquee shaped. And then we've got some teardrop shaped purple iridescent. I think those are going to be super pretty on this one. I can't wait to see. It looks like the old golds kind of go here and then here in the center of the flower. Yeah, I'm excited to see how this one turns out. And this one and the other one were both $3.81. And like I said, I'll stick links to all of these down below. All right, let me get the drills put away and then I'll be back with a little recap. For a little recap, we've got our lotus here with the drills, our special kit. We've got our flowers and butterflies here. And then, just I guess sort of in keeping with some of the butterflies, we've got our butterfly toolkit with the tray, the scrunchies, the pen, the brush, the straightener, the tips, the wax, all of that stuff. And we have our handy dandy little measuring tape. A little bit of color coordination. My butterfly goes with the lotus and this goes with these butterflies. So like I said, I will stick links for all of this down below so that you guys can find them yourself or anything else that might grab your eye while you're there. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.